Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply different image filters in your Flutter app for iOS using the built-in CIFilters. So this will be only for iOS, so let's get started. So now I will be showing you a lot of filters, so in case if you want to fast forward the video, do that. But firstly I will show you the output for each and every filter which I want to show you, and later on we will discuss the code. So firstly I'll apply this filter. Now I'll do an hot restart, I guess, and here you can see this is how this particular filter looks like. Then the false color one, I'll do a hot refresh. Yeah, then bokeh blur, then bump distortion, then circular screen, then circular wrap, then CMYK halftone, color invert, color monochrome, color posterize, comic effect, then crystallize, depth of field, disk blur, Gaussian blur, hatched screen, then hide field from mask, then hexagonal pixelate, hole distortion, then kaleidoscope, then linear to sRGB tone curve, then linear overlay, then line screen, then maximum component, then minimum component, then morphology gradient, then motion blur, then 9-part stretched, then 9-part tiled, then perspective transform, then perspective transform with extend, then photo effect chrome, then photo effect fade, then photo effect instant, then photo effect mono, then photo effect noir, then photo effect process, then photo effect tonal, and photo effect transfer, then pinch distortion, then pixelate, then pointillize, then spotlight, then sRGB tone curve to linear, then straighten filter, then stretch crop, then thermal, then twirl distortion, then the vignette effect, then X-ray, and then the zoom blur. So yeah, these are all the effects which I have created, filters I have created. So let's see how to integrate this inside your Flutter app for iOS. So as usual, I have created one Flutter app and I have just refactored this my homepage widget inside the main.dart file. So here is our stateful widget, and here as you can see I have taken a scaffold, a safe area, a column. Inside column I have taken one center widget, a size box, width and height of 200 by 200. Then I have taken my image view, and here we are passing our filter name of zoom blur. Okay, but you can change the filter name to whatever you want. And here if you see this my image view, I have created one widget for this as well. So I have created one stateful widget which takes a filter name. Then I have created this creation params map. Here we are passing the filter name for our creation params of so if it is iOS, then we are creating a UI kit view. We are passing the image name, then the layout direction, creation params, and standard message coding. And here I have just created one placeholder for it. Now we will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. So inside assets, firstly I have taken one image called lake, but you can take whatever image you feel like, but do remember this name. Then inside app delegate, we are just registering our custom widget native view which we will be creating. So for that we will soon be creating this my image view native view factory swift file. So make sure you use whatever name you are going to use for the swift file, but this name my image view should be the same what you have defined over here. Then I have created one swift file called my image view native view factory, and here as you can see, again this is boilerplate code. Anytime you are trying to create a custom or a native, trying to integrate a native iOS view inside Flutter, so this is just boilerplate code, you can copy paste it. But the important part is here we are referencing another swift file called my image view. So create a swift file called my image view, and here we are firstly including CIFilters filter built in, and here we are creating our UI view. Here I am creating UI image view, a string as well as a CIFilter. Then we are returning our main parent view. Inside initialization we are getting the filter name and assigning it to our filter name variable. Then we are initializing the view frames height as 200 by 200. Same I have used it over here as well. Just like filter name, if you want to pass the width and height, you can do that as well. And here instead of string you can take it as form of double and then pass it over here, so your choice. Then here we are creating our UI image, adding it to our view. Then I'm loading the image, so the name is lake of my image, but change it to whatever your image name is. Then here we are getting our original image, converting it to CI image. Then here depending on what you have passed, we are applying the appropriate filter. So I'll slowly scroll through this, not much to explain over here. You can pause the video if you want to at any point of time, wherever you want to copy the video or copy the code. Okay. Then I have created one CI context as well, and once we get the filter, we get the output image out of it. Then we create one CI context, we create some CG image out of that, and then we just pass our CG image to our UI image, assign it to our image view. Now here I will show you the code for all the methods for applying image filter. So I'll simply scroll through this. You can pause the video wherever you feel like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.